Unit 5, Financing of Business. In this unit, we'll describe the types of financial needs and the various methods of raising finance. First, let's start with need for and importance of finance. In Unit 4, we have learned about various steps taken by promoters before setting up any business venture. One of the important steps is of arrangement of finance for the business. No one can start a business unless adequate capital is available. In this unit, we will learn why finance is needed, what the sources of finance are, and the methods of raising finance to meet capital requirement of the business. Business finance is generally used to acquire assets which are employed to help the business achieve its profit making objective. Finance needed for the business mainly due to the following reasons: to start a business, to expand the business, to develop and market new product, to enter new market, to take over or acquire another business, to move to new premises, to pay for the day-to-day running of business. Finance is of vital significance for modern business which requires huge capital. Business and finance are interrelated and they cannot function without each other's cooperation. Business finance is viewed as the activity which is concerned with the acquisition and conversion of capital funds in meeting the financial needs and overall objective of the business enterprise. A business enterprise need money to get started, to operate and to expand and grow. A business finance depending upon the nature and purpose. A business finance is classified into two types: fixed capital and working capital. The funds required for the acquisition of fixed assets and modernization are called as fixed capital. For example, land, building, machinery, plant and equipments. The funds required to meet day-to-day expenses is running of the business and to invest in current assets are called as working capital. For example, cash, stock, bank and bills receivable. Before industrial revolution, the business and industrial activities were simple and labor intensive. Business finance was of not much importance in those days, but industrial revolution made the business activities complex and complicated, and as a result, a business finance gained more importance. Besides that, the company form of organization spotlighted the problems of procurement and utilization of finance. A business finance can be classified into long-term, medium-term and short-term finance. The funds raised for a period exceeding 5 years is known as long-term finance. And medium-term finance is raised for the period over 1 year and below 5 years. The finance required for a period not exceeding 1 year is called as short-term finance. The companies generally procure long-term and medium-term finance by issue of shares, debentures and public deposits. They also take loans from banks and other financial institutions to meet their long-term and medium-term finance, term financial needs. Short-term finance is secured from banks by way of overdrafts and short-term loans, from customers by way of advances, and from suppliers by way of trade credit. The amount of business finance required for an undertaking is determined by its size and nature of business, levels of technology used. Business enterprise procure necessary funds from various sources depending upon their convenience, merits and demerits of each source of finance and also the conditions prevailing in the market. Next topic, capital structure. Business finance is not a big problem for the sole proprietorship and partnership firm, but procurement and management of funds is more complex in organizations like companies. It is useful practice to procure corporate finance through owner funds and debt capital. Owner funds are in form of equity shares, preference shares and retained earnings. Owner funds provide capital not only on permanent basis but also free from risk. As the assets are free from charge, the company has full liberty either to sell the assets or to take loans from other financial institutions. A company may decide to use one or more of the following methods to meet the needs of long-term and medium-term finance. That's R, issue of shares, issue of debentures, loan from financial institution, loan from commercial bank, public deposits and retention of profits. A company may issue different types of shares. They are equity shares and preference shares. Equity capital is very important sources of owner funds. Every company issues equity shares to raise capital. Equity shareholders are the real owner of the company, having voting rights to participate in the management of the company. The dividend on equity shares is paid only after the payment of dividend on preference shares. Similarly, in the case of winding up of the company, also they are the last in the order in the repayment of capital from the surplus available. Next, preference shares. The shares which are issued to attract the cautions investors who are not willing to bear the risk and want regular income and safety of investment are called preference shares. They have preference in the payment of dividend and in the payment of capital at the time of liquidation of the company. And next, reserves. The reserves which are created every year out of the profit of the company are called retained earnings. This is very important cost-free internal source of finance to a company. Retainings are utilized by the companies for purpose like expansion of business, modernization, replacement of assets, etc. This kind of utilization of referred earnings by the company is called plugging back of profit. If utilized continuously, this source results in good benefits to the company. Otherwise, it may lead to overcapitalization and misuse of funds. So, the ratio of the equity capital, preference capital and retained earnings, credit, factoring, discounting bills of exchange, arranging bank overdraft and cash credit and raising public deposit and retaining earnings. In the capital structure of company is to be determined by taking the need and the purpose of investment into consideration.